viewers, thank you very much for tuning in. As usual, I'm Joel. This particular time, even when always we talk about health, this time we have to talk about it from another angle. First, I would like to come down onto you right now and say thank you so much for having honored my invitation for a day of my installation as a Rotary President on 28th of June 2025. It was quite colorful and really I was so happy. Thank you for honoring it, thank you for coming, and thank you for being around. Thank you so much. Now, as usual, I must remind you that Rotary is all about humanity. And those ones who have not yet joined Rotary, I invite you to join Rotary. Especially come and join Rotary Club of Kalangala Islands, where I'm going to be and I am a president for this Rotary year, 2025-2026. During this time of work, I'm going to be working with a good team and a strong team, and this team is going to be focused again on health, and we are going to be looking at sickle cell from different angles. Our project, the signature one, so the one that we call a signature project, is going to be about a construction of a sickle cell clinic at Kalangala Center 4. This project is going to take us 5 years. Now, during the 5 years, every other president who is going to come after me within that period, they are going to be strengthening and adding on. However, in my year, we are going to begin, and we have begun. And the main theme in all these 5 years, we are looking at kicking sickle cells outside of Kalangala district. So if we kick sickle cell out, we have many things that we will achieve as a community together as we go on. However, on top of the signature project, we are also going to embark on newborn screening. In newborn screening, each child who is going to be born at Kalangala Health Center 4, at Wendro Health Center 3, and at Mugoye Health Center 3, they are all going to be tested for sickle cell. So we are going to be doing that with the help of the Ministry of Health, and in the Ministry of Health we have a center of coordination at CPHL at Butavika. So all the samples that will be picked are going to be sent to Butavika, CPHL, where it is located, and the results shall be coming back, and we shall be giving back these results. Should we find anybody sick, having sickle cells, we are going to recruit them and they get treatment. Also, we are going to work hard as the Rotary Club of Kalangala Island to get a grant, whereby we shall use this in the 3 years. In the 3 years, we are going to embark on testing people in the community all around, not only in Kalangala here in town, but all around Kalangala. We are going to embark on education. We shall educate the schools, the communities, and then other areas like churches. Then, during that period, we are also going to try and make sure that we do counseling. Now, the counseling in sickle cell is special. Actually, not only special, but specific. So this is a form of genetics. Since we have always talked about sickle cell and said, sickle cell is a disease of hereditary. So someone inherits the disease. So we look at genetic counseling, and we think out of it we shall get a lot to benefit as a community of Kalangala. Therefore, I want to thank you again all, especially the organizers of the function of my installation, and the Rotary Club of Kalangala Islands, and the community at large. May God bless you, and don't forget to keep supporting the Rotary Club of Kalangala Islands. Thank you so much.